Get.
Just one word, but very powerful. In English, we use get in many different ways. I get up. I get dressed. I get tired. I get it. Today, I will show you how to use get in real everyday English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Fun English. I'm David. Today, we are learning one very important word, get. This word is everywhere in English. Native speakers use it every single day. If you understand get, your English will sound much more natural. Today, I will teach you 5 simple ways to use get, and we will practice together. Let's start.
Here are the 5 ways. Get equals receive. Get equals become. Get equals arrive or go. Get equals understand. Get equals phrasal verbs. Simple, but very powerful. Let's go step by step. First, get means receive. For example, I got a message. Got is past tense. Example, I got a message from my friend. I got an email this morning. I got a package today. I got some good news. I got a promotion. Now repeat after me. I got a message. I got an email. I got a package. I got good news. I got a promotion. Good. Remember, get equals receive. Next, get can mean become. It shows change. Example, it is getting cold equals becoming cold. I am getting tired. It is getting late. I get hungry at 12. I get sleepy at night. Repeat. It is getting cold. I am getting tired. It is getting late. I get hungry. I get sleepy. Nice. Get equals become. Get can also mean arrive or go. Example, I get to work at 9. I get home at 6. How do you get to work? I get the bus. I get the train. Repeat. I get to work at 9. I get home at 6. How do you get there? I get the bus. I get the train. Very good. Get equals move or travel. Next, get means understand. Very common in speaking. Example, do you get it? I get it. I don't get it. I got it. Now I get it. Repeat. Do you get it? I don't get it. I got it. Now I get it. Perfect. Get means understand. Now, phrasal verbs with get. Very important. Get up means wake up. Get dressed means put on clothes. Get along means have a good relationship. Get ready means prepare. Get over means recover. Examples. I get up at 7. I get dressed quickly. I get along with my team. I get ready for work. I get over problems. Repeat. I get up at 7. I get dressed. I get along with people. I get ready for work. I get over problems. Excellent.
Let's review. Get equals receive. Get equals become. Get equals arrive. Get equals understand. Get equals phrasal verbs. One word, many meanings. Very powerful. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence with get. Example: I get up at 6. I get the bus. Practice every day. Thank you for learning with me today. Get is simple, but very important. Use it every day, and your English will improve fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.